Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best soap making kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational activities you can introduce to your kids. This kit offers a fantastic opportunity for children to explore their creativity, learn basic chemistry principles, and understand the process of making soap from scratch. Join me as we dive into this exciting kit, exploring its features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Number 5. Klutz Make Your Own Soap Kit. This amazing kit lets you create your own custom soaps. It's a fun and creative activity for kids. The National Parenting Center has recognized this product. It's a great choice for kids. With star and cat shapes, it appeals to both boys and girls. They will love making their own unique soaps. The kit includes detailed instructions and full-color inspiration. It's easy to follow and create beautiful soaps. Sidebars provide fun facts about the chemistry of clean. It also includes easy science experiments. This kit is perfect for children ages 6 and up. It's a great way to encourage creativity and learning. It includes a 36-page book and blocks of clear soap base. Everything you need to get started is included. What we like? This kit is an award winner, so you know it's a great choice. It also includes fun science experiments, teaching kids about the chemistry of clean. If you are looking for a kit that combines fun with education, this is the one for you. What people say. Good selection of molds, easy to use. The soap is already made, you are choosing the mold and the colors only. The soaps are easy to make, the little book comes with the recipes and it's easy to follow. It even had pictures so my kids could do it without needing to read. Number 4. Hapinest Clay Handprint Bowl Kit for Kids. This kit includes everything needed to make unique handprint bowls. It comes with colorful clay, tools, and easy instructions. It's a fun way to create lasting keepsakes. Inside, you'll find 36 clay blocks in 12 vibrant colors, a roller, and cutting tools. The kit guides children through the process of making their own handprint bowls. They can make 3 to 6 bowls. The detailed instructions make it simple for kids to create their own bowls. With 12 colors, they can mix and swirl to make each bowl unique. It's a fun and functional craft. This kit is a great gift for kids ages 6 and up, perfect for birthdays or holidays. It turns a simple craft into a memorable experience, encouraging creativity. The clay might be firm, especially for young hands. To soften it, warm it up by kneading it with warm hands. An adult can help with the initial rolling for easier crafting. Bake the clay bowls at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes to avoid brittleness. Let them cool completely before handling for the best durability. This ensures the bowls last a long time. What we like? This kit lets kids create personalized handprint bowls, making each one a unique keepsake. It enhances creativity and is both fun and functional. If you want a memorable craft project that results in a useful item, you should consider this. What people say. You get a good amount of clay. It was easy to bake and didn't mess up the bowls. There was plenty of clay to do all 3 hands. 2 of my boys are teenagers, so they have larger hands than small children, of course. Number 3. GirlZone Soap Kit, make 12 cake soaps. This amazing soap kit lets you create your own unique soaps. It comes with everything you need to get started, and it's easy to use. You'll have hours of fun making colorful and fragrant soaps. With this kit, you can layer different colors of soap. It's a fun way to get creative and experiment with different designs. The kit includes both opaque and clear soap bases. Make 12 adorable cake-shaped soaps that smell delicious. This kit is perfect for kids who love to get crafty. They'll love the way their soaps look and smell. This soap-making kit is a great way to learn about mixing colors. It's a fun and educational activity for kids. It helps them develop their fine motor skills. Looking for a unique gift idea? This DIY soap kit is the perfect choice. Surprise someone special with a handmade gift they'll love. It's a fun and thoughtful present. What we like? With this kit, you can make soaps that look and smell like cakes. It helps develop fine motor skills and keeps kids away from screens. If you like a fun and creative activity that's also a great gift idea, then this is perfect for you. What people say. We made soap using several combinations of the included 3 colors, 2 scents and 2 types of glitter. The molds provided lots of pretty options for shapes. The instructions were so clear and easy to follow. This would be great for a school break project, a rainy day, or even a sleepover party. There are enough soap pieces included to make the 12 different soaps. You take the jug, and you melt 12 pieces of soap for 30 seconds. Each round of 12 pieces makes 2 different soaps, give or take. Some of the molds are bigger than others, but they always seem to even out, so I ended up with 12 nice soaps, even when I had to mix colors a little bit. The nice thing is that the soap does layer nicely, especially when you let it cool and dry before adding the next layer. I wish I would have done this more to make rainbow soap, but my sparkly, brightly colored soaps look nice, too. It's such a nice touch to add the colors, which are very mixable for other shades, as well, the scents and the glitter. Each soap I made looked truly different, which I loved. I would definitely consider giving these soaps as little gifts, and the set overall would make for a super fun gift. I think the price is reasonable, and it's better to have an experience gift more than a toy that gets thrown to the back of a closet and never used again. I highly recommend this kit. It's easy and fun, and it's pretty fast. Nothing was frustrating. All of the tools were well made and high quality. I can easily buy more soap and reuse the colors, scents, molds, glitter, etc. Now that I have the kit, the possibilities are endless. Number 2. Original Stationery Dino Soap Making Kit for Kids. This kit lets kids experiment with fun in colors and scents. It's ideal for ages 7 and up, promoting creativity and exploratory learning. This makes bath time a blast. Each set comes with dinosaur-shaped trays, soap bases, ink colors, scents, and tools. It's safe, hypoallergenic, and has easy-to-follow instructions to get started. Kids will love learning the science behind soap making. This DIY kit promotes coordination, cognition, and creativity. It keeps children entertained and educated. Follow simple instructions to melt, mix, and shape vibrant dinosaur soaps. It's a great way for family bonding and a fun way to engage kids in science and creativity without screens. This make-your-own soap kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a unique, thoughtful gift that combines fun, education, and creativity for kids and adults. What we like. This kit allows kids to make dinosaur-shaped soaps, making bath time fun. It promotes creativity and hands-on learning. If you are looking for a unique and educational gift that combines fun and creativity, you should definitely choose this. What people say. The directions were pretty easy to follow, and the soaps came out perfect. The kit comes with 2 different soap bases, white and clear. 3 different colors and 2 scents. Plus the molding tray, beaker, and stir stick. There are 6 spots in the tray, so we made 3 with the white soap base and 3 with the clear. The details on the soap all came out and look very cute. They popped out of the mold very easily. My son was able to remove them on his own with no help from me. Number 1. Dan&Darci Dino Soap Making Kit for Kids. Are you ready for some prehistoric fun? This kit lets you create your own dinosaur soaps. It's a fun way to learn and play at the same time. Make a T-Rex, Styracosaurus, and Stegosaurus. You can even customize them with different colors. It's a blast to make and use. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes soap bases, fragrances, colors, glitter, molds, and tools. It's all there for you to get started. This kit is a great STEM project for kids of all ages. It's fun and engaging, sparking a love for science. It's perfect for individual play or group activities. Turn your bath or shower into a party with these Dino soaps. They're fun to play with and wash with. It's a unique and exciting experience. What we like. This kit allows you to create your own Dino soaps while learning fascinating dinosaur facts. It's a fun and educational STEM project. If you're a dinosaur fan, this is the perfect kit for you to turn your bath into a party. What people say. Easy to use. Everything needed is included in the box, except a microwave-safe cup, and adult assistance is required for handling hot liquids. Kids really liked the different colors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.